Okay folks, it looks like the sun's cracking through from this dull all day, so it looks like we're going to have a bit of sunshine. I think they did, I don't know if they forecasted sunshine. I think it was going to be mainly a drizzly, wet old day or a rainy day, but the sun's cracking through. Looks nice, looks really nice. Just get back to the progie, folks. Okay, let's see what we have here. We have here a ratchet strap which has been crushed. Once again, they seem to get crushed a lot. You seem to find these crushed things that they use on trucks to tie your load down. And they seem to get crushed a lot, folks, on the job. Obviously, just going to put it in the A6 area. But yeah, you just get these things getting crushed all the time for some reason. Yeah, I don't like this one. It's not sitting on the way that I was hoping it would to show the side that was crushed. I have to hold it with my hand and then use that as a master copy. So I was trying to get this side. I was hoping it would go like so. I'm going to hold it. Yeah, looks shit house, folks. Does look shit. I was hoping there would be more to it. So we're going to try and get this side into the frame. I'm going to maybe make it bigger. Actually, maybe not. We'll make it bigger on the second piece. I'm going to hold it up like so. Yeah, that's pretty much what we want overall. Gonna maybe take a section out of that and enlarge it. So we're just gonna throw this away. This is a piece of junk. Actually, I'm wondering if I should have maybe this side. I didn't notice this side. I'm going to put it back on there. I'm really missing my partner Luigi. I'm trying to get in touch with him through the 6 o'clock news on Channel 9. It really is proving to be difficult getting them interested in what I'm doing here as an artist. It really is a difficult road I'm on. I'm trying my best to make something of this. I don't know how this is going to look, folks. Yeah, looks interesting. It doesn't look as nice as that. I do like this better, so I'm going to just put that aside. That looks shit house compared with this. I'm going to utilise that. So we're just going to, once again, consign this to the rubbish. So we're going to utilise this piece that we've made. So I'm just going to try and find where I'm going to place this. Try and put that in the corner. Yeah, that's come up looking really quite a nice detailed treat. I think we're going to work with that. Yeah, I'm trying to get on the 6 o'clock news as an artist, and it's really proving to be difficult, but I'm not going to give up, folks. I'm going to keep using what I can, including this article here, to utilise in my demos as an artist, and I'm not going to give up, folks. I'm going to keep persisting with what I do and what I do best, and that is to produce top-notch photocopier art. So we're just going to set this up to this photocopier is getting old. I just heard that rattle noise again, that vibrating noise, should I say. This photocopier has probably not got much left on its lifespan. It's pretty old. It's more than 6 years old now. And the spare parts were discontinued March last year, in March 2023. So yeah, if that machine breaks, I'm in deep shit until I get to air on the 6 o'clock news on Channel 9. Hopefully they'll hear me out. And that's come up looking really quite interesting. I do wonder if maybe I could do a switcheroo, folks. I'll do a switcheroo. But I really miss my partner Luigi, and I'm trying to get in touch with him. And I don't know where he is, so I'm trying to use all that I can to get in touch. You know, I really need Channel 9's help in this issue, because it gets lonely on my own and I'm really needing to get in touch. And that's come up looking really quite interesting. I think we can now call this demo. Can we call it quits, or do we have another switcheroo? Maybe not. I think we'll call it quits.